Amazon is now selling at-home COVID-19 testing kits. I'm actually surprised it took this long. This seems like a no-brainer. Everybody's on Amazon, shopping, next-day delivery type of stuff. And I understand a person administering their own test, that you might get you might be a little apprehensive about the idea. But there's a lot of people that aren't going to go to the testing facility or aren't going to, they just might be less likely to test at all. So anything to make that easier, I suppose, can be useful. This test is called the Dexterity COVID-19 Saliva at-Home Collection Kit. It detects the presence of the virus, but does not confirm immunity or detect antibodies. So it just tells you if you have it actively. It's a molecular-based PCR test. Received approval from the Food and Drug Administration last month. It differs from the quicker and less expensive antigen tests, which use the nasal swab and the throat swab. So it's not going to be instantaneous. The way this works, it's a spit kit. It's not cheap either. So it's going to cost you 110 bucks. But you're going to spit and then send it back. It's got the paid postage to go back. It's like a DNA test.
Oh, yeah.
And then in apparently 24 to 72 hours, you're going to have a response.
Huh.
So I don't know. It seems convenient. The apprehension, the criticism is that people could spoil their test by not being super clean about it or careful. That they could, what do they call that in science? If you mess up a test, you spoil it? No.
Sullied?
No.
Become sullied?
No, there's a contaminate.
Yeah.
You can, how dare you?